In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Facebook order history easily. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. So if you want to find the order history, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to access various options related with settings and privacy over here. So what you have to do is tap on this option, orders and payments, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see various options related with orders and payments. What you have to do is simply tap on this section of Meta Pay. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here you'll be able to see all of your pending or completed transactions. You'll not be able to directly see the order history, but you'll be able to see the transactions of your order over here. So that is how you see order history on Facebook easily. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.